This video shows how the terminal crimping and insert housing machine ensures the quality of automotive wiring harness processing. First, advanced visual inspection is used to check the section of the front cable to prevent the conductive degradation caused by the copper wire being cut. And another set of visual inspection will check the terminal crimping position to ensure that no bad crimping harness enters the back-end process. Secondly, after visual inspection, there is an intelligent wire storage system, which not only controls the function of different insertion sequences for complex wire harnesses, but also stores subsequent wire harnesses during the processing of defective wires to prevent the whole set of wire harnesses from being scrapped due to a certain wire harness. Finally, in the process of wiring harness insert, it is equipped with insertion extraction force detection, which ensures whether the insertion is successful through appropriate pressure during insertion and detects tension during abdication to prevent the wiring harness from being inserted firmly. Please continue to watch the uninterrupted performance of our equipment in automotive wiring harness processing.